This educational content you are about to watch is brought to you by Aleco Agrovet and Farms Limited, home of agriculture to the world. CRD stands for chronic respiratory disease, a common respiratory ailment affecting poultry, particularly chickens. It's caused by the bacterium Mycoplasma gallisepticum MG and sometimes by Mycoplasma synovii MS. Symptoms of CRD include respiratory distress. This includes coughing, sneezing, wheezing, and difficulty breathing. Birds may also exhibit nasal discharge and open-mouth breathing. Reduced egg production. Laying hens affected by CRD may experience a drop in egg production or produce eggs with poor shell quality. Decreased feed consumption. Infected birds may eat less due to respiratory discomfort, leading to weight loss or reduced growth rates, especially in young birds. Ocular symptoms. CRD can cause inflammation of the eyes, leading to swollen eyelids, discharge, and even blindness in severe cases. Drop in flock health and productivity. Chronic respiratory disease can significantly impact the overall health and productivity of a poultry flock, leading to economic losses for poultry producers. Prevention and management of CRD involve various measures such as biosecurity, implementing strict biosecurity protocols to prevent the introduction and spread of MG and MS within the flock. Vaccination programs can help, particularly in areas where the disease is endemic. Hygiene and sanitation, maintaining clean and dry housing conditions, proper ventilation, and regular cleaning help reduce the risk of CRD transmission. Isolation and treatment. Infected birds should be isolated and treated with appropriate antibiotics under veterinary supervision. It's essential for poultry producers to work closely with veterinarians, implement effective disease management strategies, minimize its impact on flock health and productivity.
Visit Aleco Agrovet today for veterinary advice and purchase of drugs.
Follow us now on all our social media platforms for more educative contents like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.